Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the evaluation of students' academic performance. Okay, how do you determine your grade for each subject? Grade for each course or subject will be assessed based on two types of assessments. That is a continuous assessment and final examination or final assessment. Okay, continuous assessment comprises the following: tests, it can be more than one test, okay, quizzes also it can be more than one, and assignments may include group assignment as well as individual assignment. Okay, for final examination or final assessment, okay, it includes all topics covered in the syllabus or some of the topics that have not been tested in the quizzes or tests. Okay, for open and distant learning, we use the term final assessment instead of final examination. Okay, so your grade for a subject is determined by the combination of continuous assessment and final examination or final assessment. For example, for financial accounting 1 or FA 110, your continuous assessment is 40% of your total marks and your final exam is 60% of your total marks. Okay, this is the continuous assessment for FA 110. Okay, so you have one test, okay, for FA 110, 15%, okay, that accounts 15% of your total marks. Okay, quizzes 10%, okay, of your total marks, okay, assignment 15%, okay, so that makes 40%, yeah, of your continuous assessment marks. Okay, let's say you obtain 30%, okay, out of 40% from your continuous assessment, okay, and final examination or final assessment, okay, is 60%, okay. So let's say you obtain 40% out of 60%. So your marks for 110 is 70%. Okay, 70%. So the total of 70% means you obtain a B plus for 110. All right. So this is about calculating grade point average or GPA. Okay, the final examination results and continuous assessments at the end of every semester are assigned a grade point average or GPA and a cumulative grade point average or CGPA, which represent a student's academic achievement. Okay, GPA refers to the calculated average of the letter grades a student earns in each semester following a 0 to 4.0 scale. All right, so this is the grading system for UITM. All right, for the first column, okay, this is about the grade, okay, that you might obtain for a subject, okay. For the middle column here, okay, this is the percent grade or the range of marks, okay, for each grade. Okay, let's say for A plus, okay, the marks should be between 90 to 100. Okay, for A, your mark should be 80 to 89. All right, A minus 75 to 79, B plus 70 to 74, and so on. So in order to get an A for a subject or course, you should score at least 80 marks. Okay, and for the third column here, okay, this is about the 4.0 scale. Okay, 4.0 scale, or it is also known as credit value or pointer. All right, so for A plus, your credit value or pointer is 4.0 or also known as 4 flat. Okay, same thing with grade A. So your grade value or pointer is 4.0. For A minus, your pointer is 3.67. Okay, and so on. All right. How do you calculate your GPA? All right. So to calculate your GPA, okay, the total credit values registered and attempted in the assessment of a semester is divided by the total credit units acquired in the same semester. All right. So let's have a look at this example. Okay, let's say for this semester, okay, in Form 110, okay, Financial Accounting 1, okay, you obtain an A. All right, you obtain an A. So your credit value or your pointer is 4.0, okay, and the credit unit for Form 110 is 3, okay, and for Eco 162 Microeconomics, okay, you obtain B plus, okay, and the credit value or your pointer is 3.33, and the credit unit for Eco 162 is also 3. So let's see how you calculate your GPA. Okay, so to calculate your GPA, you take the credit value for 110. Okay, for 110 just now you scored an A, so your credit value is 4. Okay, 4 times 3. Okay, 4 times 3 credit unit plus your credit value for Eco 162. Okay, you got a B plus just now, so your credit value is 3.33 times 3 credit unit. Okay, so divided by 6 credit units. Okay, this is the total credit units, okay, for 110 and Eco 162. So you get 12 plus 9.99 divided by 6. So your GPA for this semester is 3.67. Okay, so this is considering only 2 courses, okay, taken for the semester. All right, next we go to the calculation of cumulative grade point average or CGPA. So how do you calculate CGPA? Okay, the total credit values registered and attempted in the assessment of all semesters divided by total credit units acquired in all semesters. Okay, so this is the example of how you calculate your CGPA. Okay, let's say you are currently in your second semester, okay, or part 2. Okay, for semester 1 or part 1, your GPA equals to your CGPA. Okay, because for the first semester, your GPA is not yet accumulated. Okay, so your GPA equals to your CGPA for your first semester. Okay, for semester 2 and onwards, to calculate CGPA, you have to consider all grades for each semester divided by total credit units taken. Okay, let's say for semester 1, okay, your 110, for your 110 you scored an A. Okay, so your credit values is 12. Okay, your credit value is 12. So that is 4 pointer times 3 credit unit. So you get 12. Okay, for Eco 162, let's say you have a B plus. So your credit values is 9.99. Okay, that is 3.33 times 3 credit units. Okay, and for semester 2, okay, you get an A for 160. Okay, so your credit values is 12. So how do you get this? You take the credit value or pointer for A 4.0 times 3 credit unit. Okay, so you get 12. And for mark 151, let's say you get a B. So your credit value is 9. That is 3 credit value times credit unit. Okay, so you get total credit value 9. Okay, for mark 151. So your total credit values for semester 1 and semester 2 is 42.99. Okay, so your total is 42.99. Okay, so your CGPA is the total credit values 42.99 divided by 12 credit units. So how do you get 12 credit units? Okay, 6 credit units from semester 1 and another 6 credit units from semester 2. So your CGPA for your second semester is 3.58. Okay, so this is how you calculate your CGPA. Okay, this is about failure and dismissal. Okay, students with extremely unsatisfactory academic performance will or can be dismissed from his or her study. The status of dismissed or D that can be given to students include, okay, so the status of dismiss or D, okay, can be from D1 until D7. Okay, so you can read the description for each status of D, okay, by yourself. Okay, hopefully nobody will get this status, insyaAllah. Alright, next one we go to status keputusan peperiksaan akhir dan penilaian. Okay, berdasarkan kepada penilaian HPNG. Okay, HPNG is actually your CGPA. Okay, CGPA. Pelajar diberi status keputusan peperiksaan akhir dan penilaian seperti berikut. Okay, ANC means tamat dengan anugerah Naib Chancellor. TS means tamat dengan anugerah Dekan. TM tamat. Okay, L and T means lulus naik taraf. AD means anugerah Dekan. Okay, LU means lulus. P is for perhatian. Okay, means your status is tidak memuaskan. Okay, and D is gagal dan diberhentikan. Alright, so actually the most outstanding status is the ANC status. Okay, in order to get the ANC status, you need to get at least 3.50 for every semester. Okay, in other words, you need to get Anugerah Dekan or Dean's Award for every semester without fail. Right? So in order to obtain the Dean's Award or Anugerah Dekan, okay, you need to get at least 3.5 for your GPA. All right. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. Assalamualaikum.